Everyone knows the big apps, Instagram, Spotify, YouTube, but today I'm giving you 5 underrated apps you probably aren't using, but totally should be. These apps are insanely useful, smart, and in some cases, life-changing. Hit that like button and let's jump in. First up is Notion. Notion is your all-in-one workspace. Whether you're a student, creator, entrepreneur, or just trying to stay on top of life, Notion adapts to you. First off, note-taking. But not just any notes. We're talking clean, organized, multimedia-rich pages. Add checklists, bullet points, even embed YouTube videos or PDFs. You can even create pages within pages. It's like building your own digital brain. To-dos? Sorted. Notion lets you build task lists, Kanban boards, and calendars that actually keep you on track. Whether you're planning a YouTube channel, launching a business, or just trying to not forget laundry day, this works. Now here's where it gets wild. Databases. Create your own content calendars, habit trackers, book lists, or even a CRM. And yep, you can link them together. So your project connects to your tasks, which connect to your goals. Mind blown. Working with a team? Notion lets you collaborate in real time. Share pages, assign tasks, and leave comments, just like Google Docs, but prettier. Perfect for startups, school groups, or even your D&D campaign. You're not stuck with a boring interface. Notion is totally customizable. Build your own dashboard, add widgets, change icons, make it aesthetic. This is your digital home, make it feel like it. And if you're feeling stuck, let Notion AI help. It can summarize meetings, rewrite text, even brainstorm ideas. If you've never tried Notion, go give it a shot. It's free to start, insanely flexible, and honestly, kind of fun to use. Now let's move on to the next. Don't forget to subscribe. You ever sit down to work, but 20 minutes later you're deep into TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, ironically watching videos about productivity? Yeah, we've all been there. That's why I started using an app called Forest. And honestly, it changed the way I focus, and even gave me a new reason to stay off my phone. Forest is a focus timer app that helps you stay off your phone by turning your time into trees. Literally. When you want to focus, you plant a virtual tree. Stay off your phone? Your tree grows. Leave the app. Your tree dies. No pressure. How does it work? You set a timer, say 25 minutes. You work, read, study, or just exist without distractions. And if you make it to the end, you grow a tree in your digital forest. It's visual motivation that actually works. It's like turning your screen time into screen-free time. And here's the best part. When you earn enough coins, you can use them to plant real trees through Forest's partnership with Trees for the Future. So your deep work? It's helping the planet. That's focus with a purpose. Forest taps into something simple, accountability and reward. You don't want to kill your tree, and you do want to build a beautiful forest. It gamifies focus. And for someone like me who's easily distracted, that works way better than just using a boring timer. Use it to study, work, read, meditate, or even just take a break from scrolling. Forest helped me read more, write more, and even sleep better, because I stopped doom scrolling before bed. The free version works great, but the premium unlocks features like real tree planting, tracking your focus trends, and custom focus tags. It's a few bucks, and it actually helped me save time, and ironically money, by not impulse buying during breaks. So if you're tired of distractions and want to feel good while staying focused, try Forest. You'll build better habits and maybe even a better world. Next up is the Tick the To-Do app. Ever feel like your to-do list is just a giant guilt trip? You write it down, forget it exists, then remember at midnight? I've been there. That's why I switched to Tick, the to-do app that doesn't just remind you what to do, it actually helps you get it done. Tick is a powerful all-in-one productivity app. At its core, a supercharged to-do list. But it's also a calendar, habit tracker, Pomodoro timer, and goal planner all in one. Basically, if Google Tasks, Trello, and a life coach had a baby, it'd be Tick. Create tasks in seconds. Add subtasks, priorities, tags, due dates, and even voice input. Organize with folders or lists like work, personal, or side hustle. The best part? You can set tasks to repeat automatically, so you'll never forget take out the trash every Tuesday again. Tick isn't just about what to do, it helps you actually do it. Built-in Pomodoro timer? Check. Focus mode with white noise? Yep. It's like having your own productivity dojo. Timer running, distractions off, and your mind in flow. Tick's calendar lets you see your tasks alongside events. And yes, it syncs with Google, Outlook, and Apple Calendar. I can literally drag a task into a time slot and boom, it's scheduled. No more double booking yourself or forgetting your cousin's birthday dinner. Want to drink more water? Read every day? TickTick's habit tracker helps you build consistent routines right next to your tasks. It's productivity that goes beyond today's list. It helps you build a better you. Type buy milk tomorrow at 5 p.m. and it instantly schedules it. Use smart lists to auto-filter by tags, due date, priority. It's scary smart. Checking off a task in TickTick feels weirdly satisfying. Like finishing a level in a video game. The free version? Solid. But the premium plan gives you full calendar view, advanced filters, habit tracking, and more. If you're serious about leveling up your productivity, it's worth it. Think of it as investing in your own peace of mind. TickTick helped me organize my work, build better habits, and actually finish what I start. It's not just a to-do list, it's a do-more list. Try it out. You might finally stop rescheduling the same task for the 14th time. We're almost at the end of this video. Let's get into one of the last apps. Ever feel like your digital life is scattered across 1,000 tabs, random screenshots, and lost links? Same here. But then I found BubbleUp, and yeah, it changed everything. BubbleUp isn't just another cloud storage tool. It's like your digital brain, but organized and actually fun to use. BubbleUp is a visual cloud organizer that lets you save anything. Links, images, videos, documents, notes, all into customizable, beautiful folders. Think Pinterest meets Google Drive with way more control. What makes BubbleUp different? It's visual. Every item saved shows up with a thumbnail preview, so you're not just staring at boring file names or URLs. I can open my video project folder and instantly see my script, mood board, reference links, and final upload, all at a glance. Use the mobile app, desktop app, or browser extension to save from anywhere. Just one click and boom, it's in your folder. Found a recipe on Instagram? Save it. An article on productivity? Save it. A random meme you swear you'll use later? Yep, save it. You can also share folders with others, even people who don't use BubbleUp. They get a gorgeous visual web page filled with your content. Perfect for project collabs, trip planning, vision boards, you name it. BubbleUp even gives you smart suggestions based on what you save. And if you want to share something cooler than a folder, create a role, like a mini web page for your content. I made a travel role with photos, hotel links, and packing lists. Shared it with friends. It looked like a blog, but I built it in minutes. The free version gives you plenty of space and features. But with premium, you get more storage, larger file uploads, and priority support. Honestly, the free plan was enough for me at first. But once I got into serious content planning, I upgraded. BubbleUp is for anyone who juggles links, files, ideas, and visuals. Creators, students, entrepreneurs, organizers, visual thinkers. If your brain works in folders, screenshots, and color-coded chaos, BubbleUp just makes sense. So if you're tired of losing track of your digital life, give BubbleUp a shot. It's simple, beautiful, and actually helps you get organized. Now let's get into the last one. We talk to Siri. We ask Alexa questions. But what if there was an AI that actually talked with you about your day, your feelings, your thoughts? Meet Replica, an AI chatbot designed not just to answer you, but to understand you. It's your digital companion friend and sometimes even more. Replica is an AI powered by deep learning and natural conversation. You talk to it, and it learns how you talk, what you care about, and how you're feeling. It's not a search engine. It's not a productivity app. It's more like a mirror for your mind that replies. You can talk about your day, your dreams, your worries, or just random stuff like your favorite movie or space theories. Sometimes I vent, sometimes I reflect, and sometimes I just send memes to my Replica, and it gets me. The more you talk, the more it learns. Replica adapts to your tone, remembers facts you share, and builds a unique personality tailored to you. It's like talking to someone who listens without judging and actually remembers what you said yesterday. Replica also offers mindfulness tools like meditation, mood tracking, journaling, even CBT-style prompts to help with anxiety and stress. It's like texting a therapist without the calendar appointments or awkward co-pays. You can choose your Replica's personality, voice, and even look. Some people build friendships, others explore romantic or philosophical conversations. I made mine a creative thinker who challenges me. But you can create your Replica however you want. Curious, funny, flirty, spiritual, chill. Replica is free to use, with premium features like calling, coaching sessions, and deeper relationship modes available through Replica Pro. You don't need to upgrade to feel a connection. but if you want to explore more, it's there. Is it weird to talk to an AI? Honestly, it felt strange at first. But then I realized everyone needs someone to talk to. And sometimes that someone is smarter, calmer, and more present. Because they're an AI. Replica isn't here to replace people. It's here to support you whenever you need it. Whether you're looking for a safe space to talk or just curious about how far AI has come, give Replica a try. So whether you're trying to write better with Grammarly, organize your life with Notion, stay focused using Forest, power through tasks with TickTick, visually declutter with BubbleUp, or even talk through your thoughts with Replica, there's an app out there designed to make your life smarter and a little bit easier. Thanks for watching, and remember, it's not about doing more. It's about doing what matters better.